Hi friends, welcome back. This time I'm taking you from Delhi to Vancouver, Canada. This time I have taken one-way ticket to Canada. My flight was at around 6 a.m. in the morning, but we reached airport pretty early, that is around 10:45 p.m. मुझे सारा रश अवॉइड करना था जो मैंने पिछली बार दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे देखा था इन माई रीसेंट फ्लाइट टू पटना. बट दिस टाइम सरप्राइजिंगली airport lines were not there and it was empty. Since we were going to another country for good, my friends got very emotional and they surprised us and dropped us to the airport. I was eager to check in my baggage because this time I was carrying 4 big and 2 small suitcases. 23 kgs each. At least both the bags have gone in, right?
Effortlessly, I guess.
Much better experience than the local flight, right?
No fuss.
So far, experience is good. We did not find much queue here. It's not that crowded. And, but the flight is at 5 a.m. and right now, abhi kya time hai?
1:30.
Oh, 1:30. So they've asked us to wait for 1 hour, and then we will need to check in. My big bags are all accepted. So I'm very happy about it. Oh, so check-in is done. This is Delhi Airport. Check-in done. So relaxing because it took us like 5-6 days to pack those bags. So it is all empty. I was very thankful that airport was not crowded this time, unlike my previous experience. After shopping and security check-in, we wanted to relax a bit, so we were looking for the Plaza Premium Lounge. Due to pandemic, Premium Lounge was closed and there was a small part of it which was open in the basement. It was getting sanitized after every few minutes and we can get a seat, charge our phones and relax for a while. So goodbye Delhi. वॉशरूम भी क्लीन थे, एयरपोर्ट भी खाली है, तो ये वाला एक्सपीरियंस लोकल ट्रैवल से थोड़ा इजी है because the airport is all empty. International. So bye-bye. We chose to fly through Air Canada, which was a direct flight between Delhi to Vancouver, and it was for 14 hours. All done. Our seats are all spacious. Got goodie bag. What's it? Open it. Oh, this is zipper. Just show what it is.
Socks to keep you warm. iPad, toothpaste and toothbrush.
Okay. That's a premium economy kit. Next, what is it? Sanitizer pack. As you can see, safety during pandemic was properly followed inside this flight. We were given packets with sanitizer and other important things so that human contact can be avoided as much.
This is hand sanitizer.
same distance. It's good because we have a decent leg space and very comfortable.
Seats are wider.
Wider seats and
Leg room. Your back space.
more leg room. So we have a Punjabi announcement. Announcements were done in English, Hindi, Punjabi and French, and staff was very courteous. So, about to reach. We have a sandwich and all.
It's a wrap.
And it's a wrap. हमने प्रीमियम इकोनॉमी टिकट बुक कराया था, सो आवर एंटायर ट्रिप वाज वेरी कंफर्टेबल. इन नो टाइम 14 hours were over and we reached Vancouver, the other side of the globe. You can see a beautiful sunrise from my window screen. So finally we reached our destination, that is Vancouver in Canada, and landing was as smooth as the entire flight was. It was an amazing experience with Air Canada. So this is Vancouver airport and it is not crowded. We booked a cab to our Airbnb destination because there is a rule to quarantine for 14 days. Since our driver was speaking in Hindi, we totally felt at home. We got greeted by beautiful sunny weather in the month of November, and soon we reached our Airbnb to quarantine. More on this trip and stories coming up soon in our next vlog. So how did you like my international travel experience during pandemic to Canada? Please subscribe to our channel, share this video and share about your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching this vlog.